I am Pratyasha Jana from Standard 11th with my classmate Swayam Patnaik, and today we are here to tell you on the topic cell division and cell cycle. You all know about cell in your previous classes, and today we will tell you about those things conceptually and thoroughly. Let us begin with the chapter cell cycle and cell division. As we all know, the questions that arise is where it occurs. It occurs in somatic cells. Somatic cells are those cells like our skin cells, muscle cells, every cells except our germ cells. To this morning we can also say it as haploid, and the 2N is also known as diploid.
Mitosis phase, karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis, nuclear division, cytokinesis, cytoplasmic division.
In a typical eukaryotic cell is illustrated by human cells in culture. This cell divides once in approximately every 24 hours. Our human cells divides approximately in every 24 hours. In this 24 hours, 23 hours is occupied by interphase and the 1 hour is occupied by M phase. M phase means mitosis phase, and in interphase is also known as the resting phase. Mitosis phase is called actual division.
Yes. Interphase, M phase. Interphase consists of 3 types, G1, S, G2. M phase consists of 4 types, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase.
G1 phase, gap 1 phase, S phase, synthesis phase, and G2 means gap 2 phase. G1 phase. What happens in G1 phase? Cell is metabolically active and continuously grows. No replication of DNA. Replication means duplication of DNA. In G1 phase, the cell is metabolically active, but the DNA replication does not occur. But in S phase, the DNA gets double. Amount of DNA gets double, but the quantity of DNA, chromosomes or DNA remains same. In G2 phase is also known as pre-mitotic phase. In this phase, proteins are synthesized in antiception of mitosis. As you can see here, I have mentioned here about G0 phase. When the cells exit out of the G1 phase, it moves to a quiescent stage. And in this stage, the cell is metabolically active, but it stops proliferating. But when our body needs them, they again come to the G1 phase and starts dividing. What does the word karyo means? It means nucleus, and the cyto means cytoplasm. Karyokinesis is divided into 4 phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. While it is just an initiation of the DNA condensation. Here, centrioles move towards opposite poles. These are the centrioles that move towards the opposite poles. You can see it was from the beginning it was here, and later on it moved to this side to the opposite poles. And here the nuclear membrane and the Golgi body disappears. Condensation of chromosomes completes, and the chromosomes get arranged in metaphase plate. This plate is known as the metaphase plate or the equator. Here in the centromere, a kinetochore is present in the chromosomes, and the spindle fibers that are formed from the centrioles get attached in anaphase, splitting of chromosomes into 2 sister chromatids. In anaphase, the chromosome starts to divide, with the centrioles moving towards the poles, and the chromatids or the arms of the chromosomes are trailing behind. The chromatids uncoil and come back to its like previous one, that is chromatin format. It comes to this chromatin format, and all the cell organelles starts to reappear. Cytokinesis in animal cells. In animal cells, after this telophase, a cleavage furrow is formed and the cleavage furrow is made up of contractile rings. It depends gradually and divides the cell into 2 types. While in plant cell, a cell plate is formed between two adjacent cells, and the cell gradually divides. Thank you. This is for today.
He or she unable to stand. In this situation, what happened in cell? Cell division is going on, or what happened?
Cell division is necessary in every organism, whether it is paralyzed or it's a normal human being. Cell division occurs in everyone.
Who control the division of mitosis and meiosis?
It's the nucleus.
Nucleus is the director of. Actually, is asking about G0.
There are some cells that exit from the G1 phase and they are metabolically active, but they stop proliferating. Some cells like our heart cells and neurons, they do not divide.
A question that if a person face accident, then he or she will be definitely face an injury. Then what will be happen in that injury process? Meiosis or mitosis?
Okay.
As I have told that in mitosis, the growth and reparation of our body occurs. So as per your question, when our body gets injured, the mitosis process will occur. Except our reproduction, that is only from the sperm and egg cells, in every cell our mitosis cell division will occur. Because in animal cell wall is not present, while in plant cell a cell wall is present, which provide a rigidness to the plant cell.
Yes.
That's why a cell grid is formed.
Yes. Thank you, sir. And thank you all the students being a part of this seminar.
Those are giving that seminar. Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you both of them. It was a wonderful